Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to replace rear struts on 2017 Ford Expedition, only way. Start by parking on level ground and chalking the front wheels. Lift the rear with a jack and secure with jack stands under the frame. Remove the rear wheels and disconnect the sway bar link, shock bolts, and strut-to-knuckle fasteners. Keep parts organized and inspect mounts for wear before installing new struts and reassembling everything carefully. Gather the tools and parts you need before you begin, including a 3/8-inch impact or breaker bar, torque wrench, and replacement struts. Use penetrating oil on rusty fasteners and give bolts a gentle tap to free them. Have new mounts and hardware ready and compare old parts to new ones for correct fit. Keep manufacturer torque specs handy and work on one side at a time to avoid confusion and ensure symmetry. Start by supporting the axle with a jack under the differential and remove wheel lug nuts. Detach the lower strut bolt and the upper mounting bolts inside the hatch area or trunk, carefully lowering the strut assembly. Inspect the spring compressing requirements and use a spring compressor if needed, or follow the vehicle-specific procedure, then transfer springs and mounts to the new strut and reverse the steps to reinstall, tightening bolts to specified torque.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.